Carbon is not primarily an atmospheric problem. It is a soil problem that leaked into the air. For most of Earth's history, carbon was stable because it was stored underground, not captured above it. Healthy soils act as carbon vaults. Through photosynthesis, plants pull carbon from the atmosphere, but the majority of that carbon is not stored in trunks or leaves. It is transferred through roots into soil. Microbes convert carbon into stable organic matter. Fungi bind it into long-lived soil aggregates. This is slow carbon, durable carbon. Climate-stable carbon industrial agriculture breaks this system. Tillage exposes carbon to oxygen. Oxidation releases it back into the atmosphere. Chemical fertilizers bypass soil biology entirely. Carbon becomes mobile. Climate becomes unstable. Reforestation alone is insufficient. Trees store carbon temporarily. Soil stores carbon generationally. That distinction matters. Grasslands with healthy root systems can store more carbon per hectare than forests, when managed correctly. The fastest carbon capture system on Earth is not technology, it is living soil. Regenerative practices rebuild this system rapidly. No-till farming, perennial cover, diverse rotations, managed grazing. Each increases soil carbon year after year. This process does not require subsidies. It requires stopping destructive practices. Carbon markets often miss this entirely. They price carbon above ground. They ignore what happens below. True restoration measures carbon where it matters most, underground. Climate stabilization will not be achieved by removing carbon from the sky. It will be achieved by putting carbon back where it belongs.